Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and today we're going to be talking about HTML quotations. Okay, so now and today we're going to be talking about the block quotes. Okay, the block quotes. So the HTML block quote element defines a selection that is quoted from another source. Okay, so when we are quoting from another source, we are it is important that we use the block quotes. Okay, and we can see the example we have here. It is quoting from a particular website. Okay, so then we are using the block quotes to show we are quoting from a particular website. Okay, so let's go straight to our VS Code and let's try practicalizing what we have on screen. Okay, so now back to our VS Code, we're going to create a p tag. Okay, so I'm going to write we are quoting TechiesReign. Okay, we are quoting TechiesReign. So what are we quoting from TechiesReign? Let's go to TechiesReign's website and let's just quote this particular highlighted text. I've highlighted that before, so let's just quote it. Let's just copy it. Okay, we don't want to copy, or we just want to copy this particular one. Okay, good. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come back to our VS Code. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to open a block quote tag. Okay, a block quote tag. Okay, so we're going to open that. We'll close that. So in between, we're going to have what we copied from. Let me break it up. We can have a full screen. So we can have what we copied from TechiesReign's website. Okay, so I'm trying to make it so that we can see everything we have on screen. It's a large text, so let's cut it. So let's just stop it here. Okay, good. So we can have everything here. So we are quoting this particular text from TechiesReign. Okay, so we want to see how it displays on our browser, right? Let's save it and let's come back to our browser. Can you see? So the paragraph is aligned to the left, while the quote is aligned center. Okay, so it's trying to make the user see that this is we are quoting TechiesReign, and this is what we are quoting from TechiesReign. Okay, so it's making it different and making you see that this is the paragraph and this is what is being quoted. Okay, so to quote long text like that, we are required to use the block quotes. Okay, so then for example, we want to include this this URL. So okay, we can just copy the URL, then come to our block quote here in the opening tag. Okay, so we can just put our site attributes. Okay, then we add our equals to, then add the URL where we are quoting from. Okay, then we save it. Okay, so that's to help avoid plagiarism. Okay, so when you copy from anywhere, you need to, as much as possible, link back to the particular website you are copying from. So now we have shown that we have cited that it was gotten from where TechiesReign's website, right? So now to use your block quote, you use that for bulk keywords, okay, or when you are citing from another website or another source. Okay, so I don't believe you have gained something in today's class. So do well to follow, like, comment, and share. See you in the next